everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to contact Luno support. Now, contacting Luno support can generally be done through these methods. 1. The Luno Help Center. This can be found on the website or the app. The most common way to get support is through Luno's Help Center. You can usually find this on their website or within the app settings. The Help Center contains articles and FAQs that may answer your question. There's also the in-app support. Many cryptocurrency apps, including Luno, have an in-app support feature. You just need to look for a support or help or contact us option within the app's menu or setting. This often allows you to submit a support ticket. Or initiate a live chat. There's also email support, and Luno provides support through email. You can find the correct email address on their official website, usually within the Contact Us or Support section. You can also go through their social media. While not always the most effective method for direct support, you can sometimes reach out for Luno through their official social media channels. That is Twitter, there is Facebook. However, never share sensitive account information on social media. Never. You can also go through the Luno website. The Luno website itself is a great resource. Now, here are some important things to note. Always, and I mean always, use official channels to contact Luno support. Be prepared to provide your account details and verification information, and please be patient as response times may vary. Thanks for watching.